Hey guys, welcome back. If I sound a little hoarse, I'm under the weather, allergies. It's that time of the season, beginning of September. We have a fun little project today. Stopped at Harbor Freight and picked up this. The U.S. General 30-inch service cart with the drawer, and we got the color we wanted, orange. I bought this to put my Ryobi tools in so they're not scattered all over the place. I have a spot for it, so hopefully it shouldn't be that hard to put together, and it's not that big. So we'll do updates on when I put this together right now. Yeah, we're gonna do our we'll do an unboxing here as if we can. Good old trusty scissors. Oh, cool. Just make sure when you do stuff like I like to do, is have a tasty drink. I like Coke, and Coke is no way sponsoring this video. I'm gonna unbox this puppy. Okay, looks nice and secure. We're gonna unbox it. Sorry about that. Right away in the lip over here, you have the 4 legs. Honed styrofoam. Okay, this is the bottom of the tray. Yes, the bottom of the tray, and it says U.S. General. So let me finish unboxing this, and we'll take a look at it. All right, this was underneath. You got the instructions. We're gonna go over those. I guess that's the wheels and the hardware and stuff. And we're gonna continue to unbox this. And most important, don't lose your keys. And I don't know why they give you 4. Usually most most toolboxes come with 2. Even on my 26-inch bottom U.S. General, the green one, I have 4. I guess that's what it is. And these actually look a little bit different than the other ones. The key's different. Okay, let's continue to open. The top handles are on the side. This one was over here, I just pulled out. Okay, this looks pretty straightforward. You have to put the lower wheels on the bottom shelf, and then there's another shelf that goes inside where the drawer is. So this actually doesn't look that hard. It's a little bit hard to see. I don't know if you can see with the GoPro. So we'll do step by step. All right, open the box. You got 2 swivel casters. Actually, all 4 of them swivel. Okay, all 4 of them swivel, and then you got your hardware. Okay. All right, you're gonna use these carriage bolts and these nuts for the wheels and these washers. So let's put this together. All right, I put on all 4 wheels. When you put these on, the washer goes, right underneath the nut, and do like this one first and then this one, and make them like hand tighten, like it's gonna flop around, because you're gonna have to adjust these. There's like you're gonna have to adjust these. You'll see it, and then just tighten it up with a I used a 13mm socket and a hand tighten underneath, and then you just zip it in. It's good. So now to the next step. All right, the next step is you're gonna attach the drawer frame to the top piece. You're gonna have to take this drawer out, and it's very easy. When you pull it out, these little clips, you can pull them up and down, and it pops right out. Very easy. So we're gonna get this all bolted together. Let's get this all bolted together. All right, these are the 4 bolts and washers that mount this to the drawer frame. Apparently 4 of these are supposed to be lock washers, but they're not. It's not really a big deal. They gave me 4 flat washers instead of 4 lock washers. We'll just use them, that's fine. Okay, snugged 4 bolts in with the washers. I got another 3/8 ratchet, and I used a 1/2 inch underneath, and then this one on top. And you don't have to wrench down on it, just snug it. That's all you need. You don't need it's overkill. Alright, you're going to use these little 10mm bolts. They have a Phillips head with a lock nut, and you're going to put a washer on the inside. And those are for the 4 posts, you know, to give it its height. Alright, put the 4 posts on. I only just did 2 screws for now. And just keep them like a little bit loose. I did it with a Phillips screwdriver and a what is this, a 1/4 inch bit? 1/4 inch, what size is this? A number 10. It's a socket. Just to tighten them up real quick. Just to keep them loose. And then we're gonna put on the top, and then we're gonna button everything up. Alright, I put on the end L brackets, I guess, whatever you want to call them. I left them loose because I'm gonna put this on the ground, straighten it up, and I'm gonna tighten everything up. And these holes over here on the top, I'm sorry about that, you can't see them, I'm sorry about that. Sorry about the sun. These holes right here, you gotta leave them blank because that's for the handle. Sorry about that. Those holes right there, you gotta leave them blank because they're for the handle. Alright, tightened up all the posts, nice and tight. Ground's a little uneven, that's why it's wobbly. Ground's uneven. I tighten up all the thing, I put in the handle and put in the drawer, and we're done. You're gonna use, I mean, this is all you should have left, is these longer bolts, washers, and the nuts. And 2, 4, 6, you should have 8 of them left, and that's all you need. Alright. We put on the handle, sorry about the sun. Put on the handles, just do the drawer, and then that's it. When you put the drawer back, make sure there's like a round piece here. Make sure this all lines up and this snaps together. Remember that piece I showed you before? You push this down to release the drawer, this all snaps together. And there's your 30-inch service card. There's your 30-inch service card. Thank you.